Hello and welcome back to my budgeting channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful end of the summer going on right now. I am doing pretty good, you can't even complain. For this income breakdown, Lou made $1,049.73 and I made nothing. Our bills that are going to be coming out for this week is going to be Pandora for $9.99 and Navient for $216.20. Groceries, normal, $300, gas, $40, vape, $40. I'm not getting an allowance, Lewis is not getting an allowance, and we each get $25 for lunch for the week. Sinking funds. Liam's birthday, you notice that back to school is not on here, and that is because we bought everything. Husband came in with the save and he decided to just go ahead and pay for all the school supplies, which that helped out so much. So for this week, we are going to be doing Liam's birthday, yard work, and home maintenance. Liam's birthday is in September, so I'm just trying to make sure I have a little bit of money to put towards the birthday party. Extra debt, we're going to be putting $5 towards my credit card and an extra $5 to Lewis student loan. And then mortgage, we're going to be putting $300 into the mortgage, and then with an additional $115, which is what I had in back to school. He just paid for everything without asking for anything in return, so he told me to put it in a mortgage. So that is what we're doing. So I'm going to spin this around so I can see it. And we're going to start with my wallet. Nothing goes into my allowance book. Gas. I decided to take this and put it in with my credit card because school's starting up and I'm going to be using more gas because I'm going to be taking the kids to and from school, which actually sucks because one's in elementary school and one's in middle school and they start at the same time. So I'm not quite sure how all of that's going to pan out. So for vape, we got 40. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This 20 is also going to go to the side. Like I always tell y'all, $100 in my vape envelope. That's all I need. I don't need anything extra. We are good. And that's going to be it for my wallet. I spend about $70 every time I go to the vape store, but I don't have to go for like 2 weeks and it covers everything. So for home, car maintenance, this 20 that came out of my gas is going to go into here. So now we got an extra $40. There's a couple of things I need to get fixed on my car, but it did pass inspection. Both cars passed inspection, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm going to be putting that aside. Yard work. We have $3 in here. I have 5, so we're going to take $2, put it aside. We need a 10 up in here. There we go. So we have 20, 30, 35, 36. I didn't have any ones that I could put in here, so. Alright, so in here, this $20 that we had for vape is going to go in here. So now in here we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 45, and 50. 150. This needs to get about 500 for me to get my hair done, so we got a little bit of a ways to go. That's going to be it in my home envelope. And then holiday. And Liam's birthday, we have 20. We're going to be putting a 5 in. So now we got 25 for his birthday. We are not putting anything in family birthdays, and nothing else goes into back to school, so I'm actually going to be moving this back here. Alright. Oh, we forgot something. Hang on. back into the home envelope. I forgot to put in home maintenance. All right, home maintenance. We're gonna put what we have left over into home maintenance, which will be $7. So it is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. I still need to get this to about $100 so I can buy us a new garbage disposal, because ours have a hole in the bottom of it, so that's not fun. But this is a very quick cash stuffing, guys. Things seem to finally start panning out for us, so hopefully we can keep up on this uphill travel that we're on. And guys, I appreciate everyone here. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. And I really want to give a shout out to all the new subs that have recently subbed to me. I don't know what happened, but like in a matter of 1 week, I gained like 10 subs. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel and coming in and subbing to me. It really meant so much to me and made my day when I opened up my YouTube studio and I saw that. I was like, oh my gosh, what the hell is going on here? But I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.